Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and other useful and informative video which is about how to fix TikTok direct option not working on any model. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have open the TikTok app on your mobile. So then you have wait a few seconds. Then you have click on your profile. Then you have click on your profile. So then you have click on three dots option setting and privacy. Then you have click setting and privacy, wait a few seconds, so you have scroll up. Then you have click on report or problem. Then you have wait a few seconds. Then you have seen my iPhone screen loading your report and problem. So then you have wait a few seconds. Then you have click on direct message. Then you are facing the issue on your mobile model iPhone or Android. So then you have wait a few seconds. Then you have click on direct message option again. Then you have wait a few seconds. Then you have seen my iPhone screen then loading the issue. Then you have click on direct message is no longer available. Then you have wait a few seconds. Then loading. Then you have complain on TikTok team the when you have facing the issue of TikTok direct message option is not working or not showing. So then you have seen my iPhone screen loading a issue. So then you have click on no from here. Then you have wait a few seconds. Then you have wait a few seconds. Then you have click on need more help. So then you have click here and then you have submit the issue. Hello TikTok direct message not showing in my TikTok. So then you have submit the issue and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know.